In this video you will see our creations, for different types of jewelry ordered from us by our customers. Our whole philosophy is to create jewelry to be something different from the usual ones found in other stores. Designed to the specifications that have been requested of us and with our exclusive artistic touch, so that the jewelry looks modern and timeless to the wearer. Do not hesitate to ask us about any jewelry you want, by contacting us. Thank you.
Through our video we showed you the special constructions and creations of our store from 1987 until today. Designing and creating handmade jewelry with our signature. From the simplest to the most special constructions. Comment, like and share if you like. Thank you.